Every aspirant who begins his or her preparation with only one intention: to succeed in the examination and to become a government or a public sector servant. But why many of them stops in between? I remember when I started my preparation, I was nothing. I was just 5 or 10% of my preparation. I had that initial fear too. But dear friends, it was my dream to become a government servant, and I had that passion too. And that passion really helped me to overcome the initial fear. And in 4 to 5 months, I was able to reach the middle or the good stage of my preparation, where it started getting around 50 to 60% marks. And after 5 months, even if I worked hard, my marks went down. I was emotionally and mentally down. I was not able to clear any examinations, and consistently my marks went down, even if I worked hard. So I went through this stage around 5 to 6 months, and I even thought of quitting the examination, quitting my preparation. But I sustained, and after 6 months, I felt a dramatic change. My marks suddenly increased to 80 or 85%, and that was well enough to get to clear an examination and to get a government job. And where I reached the great stage of my preparation. So dear friends, if you are preparing for any competitive examination, you will go through different stages. The initial or the beginning stage is there, the middle or the good stage is there, the depth stage is there, and the great stage is there, where you will clear the examination or you will achieve your dream. Some people are stopping their preparation at the initial or the beginning stage itself. This is due to the initial fear, the fear of syllabus, competition level, something like that. But the real reason of stopping at this stage is they are not preparing for themselves. They might be preparing due to the parents' influence or family pressure, something like that. If they are preparing for themselves, they will never stop at this stage. And dear friends, it is very much easy to reach the middle or the good stage of a preparation, because initially you are nothing and you are continuously learning. And it is very much easy to reach the good or the middle stage of your preparation if you really work hard. And when you reach the middle or the good stage of your preparation, and thereafter there is a dip. Whatever you're doing, whether it's for preparing for competitive exam or whatever your dream is, when you reach the good stage, what you have to understand is that between good and great, there is a dip. In order to reach the great point of your preparation or dream or whatever it is, you have to go through the dip. And it is a natural process. And this dip is very much explained in the book named The Dip by Seth Godin. You can read that book, and about the dip, it is very much explained in that book. And that dip is just a natural process. Everyone who reached the success or who have gained anything have gone through this dip. They have gone through the good point and they reached the great point through this dip only, and this dip is inevitable. It will happen to everyone if you are trying hard. And your mind, you should be mentally and emotionally ready to face the dip. And what I believe is that many aspirants are stopping their preparation during this dip period, because the time period of the dip may vary from 3 months to a year, and it depends on the persons. It varies from person to persons. And if you are able to sustain through the dip, dear friends, you will definitely reach the great point of your preparation, and you will succeed and you will become a government or a public sector servant. How to get through the dip is an important question. What you have to do is to continue your preparation. You have to believe in yourself. You have to be emotionally and mentally prepared to face the dip. Sometimes this might be the stage where you have to shift the gear of your preparation, where you have to try writing more examinations, revising more, etc. This dip is a natural process, and that you have to think emotionally. You have to tell yourself that this will go naturally. So dear friends, you might be now at different stages of your preparation. If you are at the beginning or the middle stage of your preparation, you have to tell yourself that you are about to face the dip. And you have to be prepared to face it. And if you are now at the dip, never be worried. It will go naturally. What you have to do is to just continue the preparation. And never ever stops your preparation or quit your preparation at the dip stage. If you sustain and continue with your preparation, you will reach the great stage and you will get your desired job. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you take care.